I love it. That's the best 450 bucks I ever spent.
It's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
What's up, guys? Back with another video. Hey, and he did it for the third time in a row. Every video you go, hey.
Yeah, that's my Bill Cosby.
Oh, okay.
I'm doing like a deep.
Anyway, today's video we're putting what kind of wings you get? MMD V series, right?
MMD V series.
So if you haven't really seen the back end of his car before really closely, he's got that stock, whatever you want to call it.
I call it flat blade.
Yeah, it's kind of makes sense. It's very flat. You can't even really tell there's a wing on it half the time. But he got this one over here. He's unboxing for you real quick.
I gotta get all this stuff off here first. But you can kind of see right here, it's going to stick up a lot more.
Yeah.
If you get down close in the light, you can kind of see it's not a full ducktail. It's kind of got little cutouts that come in right about here. So I think for now I'm just going to leave it in here until we actually go to put it on.
Yep.
So yeah.
So really all we have to do is pop the trunk and take the liner off. It's got a couple of push pins on there, and then there's 3 10mm, I believe they are. And then pull the old wing off, clean up all the old 3M tape, and then apply the new one. So when we get started in the back, we'll see you then.
Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take out all these push pins. We already got some of them out, but it's pretty simple. Having a fork tool definitely helps. Obviously this is not really a very good fork tool.
Yeah, the metal ones are a lot easier.
Yeah, because this one's kind of a pain to get up underneath of here, and feel like you're gonna break these damn things. I don't know why Ford does this. I hate Ford. They can't make anything easy. Like everything is just nothing but plastic little push pin.
And really, if you've never done this before, it's just the push pins. You got this here, and then you just kind of have to finesse this around this latch here.
Finagle.
So, yeah, you gotta finagle it. Finagle it out of there. So once we do that, there's basically that's one bolt there, that's another bolt there, and I believe there might be another one,
one
under
or two
this.
up underneath here.
So once we get to that point, we will turn the camera back on. Alright guys, we got the wing off, finally. We didn't want to bore you with that because there's a lot of 3M tape that took frickin' forever to get off.
I hate 3M tape.
But we got it for the most part pretty clean. Good enough for us, really.
Good enough for us for.
Yeah. I mean, it's getting a whole new wing on it. It's gonna cover really any, because we got the majority of it. It's just like little baby tiny little bits. Like, I don't know if that'll actually pick it up or not. Yeah. It's like a really, like, you can see how small it is compared to my finger. But
we got it all. There's just enough to annoy you.
Yeah, but you're not gonna see any of it anyway because it's getting covered by this fat wing that he's unwrapping over here. So I'll probably go over there and help him unwrap this, and then once we have it sitting on there and getting ready to bolt it down, we'll just set it on there and see his immediate reaction as it goes on the car. But
I appreciate American Muscle, but why do they need to make everything so?
Yeah, I mean, he's struggling over there, so.
Yeah, they wrap this whole freaking thing with like saran wrap, and it's so
they don't want it to get damaged, okay?
I know, but it's so ungodly tight that you can't even find where it like starts at.
But I'm gonna set the camera down so I can help him real quick, and then,
Good call.
like I said, once we stick it on the car, just for a quick second so he can see it, we'll turn the camera back on. So we'll see you in a bit. And he's setting it down, just about the area. Oh, things are looking good.
Look how mean. Oh my god.
That's probably the best angle right there.
I mean, it might not be on exactly where it needs to be.
Yeah, that's just general location. We literally just set it on there.
I love it. That's the best 450 bucks I ever spent. I mean, that just totally transforms the rear of the car. It makes what I call the curves of the ass of the car right down here. It makes them look so much fatter.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Let's put it on. I want to get these wheels on. You guys don't know how geeked I am for these wheels.
Yeah.
I've been waiting.
They're hiding under there, so you can't see it. But that's coming next video for you
to
guys.
put these on.
Yeah.
They've been sitting in my basement since November. That's how long I've just been sitting there staring at
Yeah,
these.
since the video it was there before then. It was before then, but as far as the channel knows, that video they were sitting in the back there when we introduced them to the channel. But
gotta get a drink of my Dr. Pecker here.
Dr. Pecker.
That's, doing all that 3M tape wore me out.
Yeah. It looks like you set it in the perfect spot. It looks like it's bolted just from looking at it, but yeah, we're gonna get this thing bolted down. Then basically it's just like I said before. There's the 2 bolts here. There's one on that corner and one on that corner, on the underside. So we'll knock that out and then we'll bring it right back to you.
God, she looks mean.
Anything to say to the viewers at home?
Just wait for these wheels to go on with these.
Like I said, that video will be coming next. The video after this one.
Separate video?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
That's so cruel.
I know. All right, guys, we're back. We finally got the dang glue off and we got it mounted. It's 100% done. It looks gorgeous, and I like it now. I didn't really conversion. I didn't really like it that much before.
I just can't stop looking at it.
I saw it in pictures and I wasn't really a big fan of it, but it looks so good at so many different angles. So this is my favorite one right here. But especially down low, it just
that back angle.
That back angle is just gorgeous.
I think it makes, like I said, what I call like the hips of the car right back here where it gets wider. I think the way that this actually has like the cuts just speak with the car. So like if you look right here on both cutouts, they're just barely past the cutouts for the license plate. So it fits the body lines of the back of the car perfectly. And I think it just makes this look so much meaner, especially because I told you guys I'm getting, window tint eventually. These lights are gonna be blacked out, and I'm putting tint on my plate. So this whole thing is gonna be blacked out. Yeah. I mean, the only thing that'll be chrome are my tips, but I think I'm actually gonna paint those gunmetal. So everything will be blacked out.
Hell yeah.
There won't be, other than like the red decals, there won't be a single ounce of any other color on this car.
Cool.
It's getting there. It'll be like that before Mustang Week. That's the goal, is 100% murdered before Mustang Week.
And another goal, can we hit 100 subs before Mustang Week? Is that
No. We want 150 before Mustang.
150. Can we hit 150 subs before Mustang Week, which is in September?
Yep,
right?
September. I think it's September 1st through the 8th this year, I believe. Last year it was...
We're setting a challenge out to everybody watching this video. If you haven't subbed yet, what are you doing? Why haven't you subbed yet? Come on.
If you're not doing it, if you're not gonna do it for us or the cars,
do it
for the Dr.
Do it
Pepper.
for the Dr. Pepper.
Do it for the Dr. Pepper.
Not sponsored.
Eventually, maybe.
Eventually, maybe.
Maybe they'll show us some love, because if you look,
yeah, look at all that.
we do love our Dr. Pepper.
Yeah.
I mean, the Pepsi and stuff, that's Grandpa's, but the Spriddle and the Dr. Pecker.
Dr. Pecker.
That's our stuff, It's what fuels us with our addiction.
So what we're basically saying is, if you haven't subscribed yet, well, that. If you haven't subscribed yet, you need to get on that train, man, because things are coming. Like we always say, things are coming and going.
But like these are good.
Yes. Yeah, those
actually
wheels
in about
are
5 minutes.
About 5 minutes for us, not for you. But yeah, that's basically it for the video, guys. We're just giving you a quick little. We're drowning this out as long as we possibly can. But like I said, on Instagram, on my story, I don't know if you saw it today or not, but the wheels will be on his YouTube, or not his YouTube, on his Instagram Monday. So
Yep.
if you want to see them before YouTube, that's where you can get all of our sneak peeks. I'm going to be trying to post more on the Instagrams in general, just so if you want a sneak peek prior to YouTube, that's where you can go. But for the most part,
Cannot get over how
Yeah.
that paint match is.
yeah, that paint match is insane. It looks identical, especially on camera.
I mean, it's kind of hard though right now to tell because my car is dirty and the spoiler's clean.
Yeah.
But I know what my car is supposed to look like when it's not dirty, and I can tell you that's perfect.
Yeah.
I mean, but then again, they have, you know, Ford. They have factory Ford paint, factory Ford everything in American Muscle for the pre-painted parts at least. You just put in, you know, your year, and then you select your paint color from the swatches, and it's perfect every time.
Hell yeah.
So, plus, I mean, this is UA black. It's not even shadow black. So, I found out the difference is the shadow black has the little, like, speckles in it.
Yeah.
I mean, they're really hard to see. So, even if this did come shadow black, you really wouldn't notice the difference unless you really got up in it to see the sparkles.
Yeah.
But UA black is so easy to do.
Yeah.
I mean, it's literally just exactly what it is, solid black. It's not hard.
Yeah.
You can't really, I mean, I guess you can have different shades of black, but dark black is dark black. I mean, you can screw up and make it lighter, but you can't make it any darker. So it's not really a hard thing to mess up. Thankfully, they didn't mess it up.
Yep.
So I think we're gonna cut this video here.
Yeah, we gotta do some things, so stay tuned. Like I said, Monday, if you want to see it on Instagram, it'll be on there. If not,
Yep, it'll be
in a couple weeks, because we got
probably be on
a
both
bunch
my
of videos
story.
coming. Oh yeah, that too.
And
It'll be on the story.
Instagram.
All right, guys, the video's done. Like I said, the spoiler's finished.
Looks phenomenal.
Looks phenomenal, and like we said earlier, 150 by Mustang Week would be insane. And we already appreciate you guys. What we have already is just amazing.
You're helping our dream come true.
In the short time that we've already done this, it's amazing that we've already got that much.
Yeah.
But yep, that's it for now. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.